Hi there, in today's presentation we're going to learn how to put a strategic planning into practice in a simple way. So the first question that we have to ask ourselves is, what is strategic planning? Strategic planning is a guide for your company to achieve its goals. We tend to focus on the short term, so strategic planning allows us to have a mid-term and a long-term vision. Why is it worth developing a strategic plan? There's many benefits. Some of them, it outlines a clear path for your company, a path for your company for the next years. It provides focus for your company. So you're going to focus on the activities that are indeed directly related to your company's mission, vision, values, objectives, and goals. And it allows your company to know itself better. So, strategic planning helps you get to know your company better, get to know your company's strengths, weaknesses, as well as your company's opportunities in the market and the threats in the market. How to develop a strategic planning, how to put it into practice in a simple way. You may follow 5 steps in a nutshell. First, define a mission for your company, a vision for your company, and the values of your company. Second, proceed with SWOT analysis. 3, define objectives and goals. 4, elaborate an action plan. And 5, monitor the strategic plan. So let's see in more detail very quickly each one of these steps. First, define the mission, vision, and values of your company. What are the differences between mission, vision, and values? First, mission is the reason your company exists. It is the main purpose of your company. For instance, Google's mission statement is to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. Apple's mission statement is bringing the best user experience to its customers through innovative hardware, software, and services. Vision is an organization's declaration of its midterm and long-term goals, stating what they want to become in the future. So, vision is what or where your company will strive toward. For instance, Tesla's vision statement is to create the most compelling car company of the 21st century by driving the world's transition to electric vehicles. And values are the guiding principles of your organization. Values are the principles that will comprise your organizational culture. Apple's values, among others, are innovation, quality, excellence, the understanding that quality is better than quantity, social and environmental responsibility, for instance. Second step, proceed with SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is a tool that will help you explore in detail the internal and external environments of your company. But what does SWOT stand for? S stands for strengths, W for weaknesses, O for opportunities, and T for threats. Strengths and weaknesses concern the internal environment of your company, and opportunities and threats concern the external environment of your company. What are strengths? Strengths are advantages of your company compared to other companies in the market. So let's say that you own a drugstore in front of a hospital. Your company is located in front of a hospital. So we could say that The place where your company, where your drugstore is located is a strength for your company. Weaknesses are disadvantages of your company compared to other companies in the market. So let's say that most of your workers, most of your employees have a low level of experience. So this low level of experience may be considered a weakness of your company. Opportunities are contexts in the market that favors your company. Let's say that you produce recyclable straws and the government announces that from now on it is prohibited to commercialize plastic straws. So that would be a great opportunity for your company to increase the production of recyclable straws. And threats, at last, are contexts in the market that disfavors your company. So we could mention the COVID-19 pandemic. It was a very significant threat, especially for tourism companies, tourism agencies, for instance. They had to adjust a lot so that they could overcome this threat. So, in a few words, the SWOT analysis allows you to get to know your company more deeply and prioritize actions to be taken. You're going to increase your strengths. You're going to try to take advantage of opportunities. You're going to try to minimize your weaknesses. You're going to try to protect from threats. So, we could say that the SWOT analysis is a prioritization tool. So by knowing and exploring the internal and external environment of your company, you're going to be able to prioritize certain activities, certain tasks. Who should participate in this SWOT analysis? The ideal is that not only leaders, but also employees representing all different areas of your company, they all should participate so that the analysis be more rich. 3, define the objectives and goals of your company. Remember that objectives is what you want to achieve and goals are the specific activities, the specific tasks that will allow you achieve the objectives. The goals in big companies are called KPIs, which stands for Key Performance Indicators. Some examples of KPIs: to sign 5 contracts per month, to increase production volume in 5% per year, and to find 5 new clients per semester. One very important point in this third step: your objectives and goals must be realistic. They must be doable. 4, elaborate an action plan. Where is this action plan going to come from? It will have to be aligned with the mission, vision, and values of your company. It will have to come from the SWOT analysis that you proceeded with. It will have to come from the objectives and goals that you established. There's a video in this channel entitled How to Manage Anything, where I comment a little bit more on action plan. And at last, number 5, monitor the strategic plan. Establish a frequency of meetings with all those responsible for the activities listed in the action plan. Remember that this is a controlled step. This is a step where you're going to try to correct flaws, that you're going to try to identify improvement opportunities, where you're going to try to compare what is being done to what you planned. If you have any questions, guys, please comment below and I will be pleased to answer you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.